Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today our video is going to come from the White Tiger system. It's golden bell training. It really helps develop your internal power, your musculature, tendon and ligament strength. But before we go there, I'd like you to click the buttons to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your support and thank you for your subscriptions, and have a great day.
Golden bell training from the White Tiger system of Kung Fu. So golden bell is to lead the chi to the external parts of the body. So when you tense your muscles, by tensing the muscles, it will lead the chi to the skin of the body. This whole series is done as an isometric. So every time you exhale, you want to tense the abs and really squeeze the arms and the legs as tight as you can. So I recommend when you're doing this exercise, just enhance it a little bit more, is to put some lip touch-out on the hand. So just a small eyedropper, a couple of drops of it. Just rub it into the hands, and this will help lead the energy to the palms, which will also enhance your iron palm training. So the mechanics of it, okay, it's very simple. One, you're gonna raise the arms up. Two, push it out, it's a double pump. Three, come back. Four, push it out. Okay, five, you're gonna circle up. Six, you're gonna circle down. Seven, bring it behind the head. Eight, push out. 9 to center. 10, bend at the waist, touch the ground. 11, draw the hands up. 12, finish. That's one repetition. The whole time you train this, you want to train 6 repetitions in total. So, one more time, just the mechanics before we go through it. You're going to inhale on 1, exhale on 2, inhale on 3, exhale on 4. Deep breath in here, exhale as you circle up on 5, deep breath in, exhale as you circle down. Inhale as you draw it back over your head, exhale as you push out to the side. Inhale as you come to center. Exhale as you bend at the waist. Inhale as you draw the arms up. Exhale as you push them down. So let's take it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale, bring them up overhead. Exhale, push out to the side. Inhale to center. Exhale as you drop down. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, push them down. 1 rep. Number 2, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3. Four, inhale. Exhale. 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 5. and 6. Inhale. Exhale. 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 And that's Golden Bell. Remember, 6 repetitions each day.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.